How to log in or sign into your Netflix account. To log into your Netflix account, you can follow this simple step. First of all, open a browser and simply type down the netflix.com in the search address bar and hit enter. Then tap on the first Netflix website option available there and navigate to its official website. Now, once in the Netflix website, you can see sign in option available at the top right corner of your screen. Now click sign in. Once you click on the sign in, you will have to enter your Netflix account email and password. So it might take a few minutes for this page to load. Now here you can see email and password option available. Type down the email and password and tap on the sign in option available there. If you forgot the password, then tap on the forgot my password and follow the instructions to reset your password. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.